gonna do there in this part? Just stand there and smile? Oh my gosh. I will say the clarinets sound better in this song than that. You're having too much fun doing this. They should have just given you a freaking air horn or something. And it's a soft, like, happy, joyful, little, elegant sounding song. And then all of a sudden you got this. Is that a deer getting whipped? Is that the sound of a deer getting whipped?
It's actually a horse.
Whip that horse lightly, okay? And I bet he is neighing a lot harder than that. Thank you, Mr. Threadgill, for giving him such an important part and inspiring my parents to hand make him a slapstick to practice. Even though...
And also probably bring to school.
Bang.